Hi, welcome back. Another question of the day. Select RIGHT S4 HANA backorder strategies from the below. Okay, let's see the options. A is adjust, B is modify, C is drop, D is gain, E is remove, F is attach, and G is fill. So it might be single or multiple answers might be correct. This is one of the top question in certification. You can able to give a try at your end if you know S4 HANA. Otherwise, there is no issue. I will help you out for the matter. So if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe my this channel. Currently holding 750 plus videos. If you really like these kind of videos, please like it and share it so that it will be helpful for others. Okay, this is my dedicated forum. Currently, I'm holding 5,800 plus students, and this is my top course sales and distribution. Currently, it is holding 111 hours with 422 lectures. This is just like uh, best course for SD consultants. They can able to give a try, and I strongly recommend these two courses, idoc training and getting mastered to write a functional specification. If you have a doubt, you can try these two courses. This is one of my top course on pricing, and this one is for SAP SD ECC S4 HANA advanced pricing concepts. If you look at here, currently I'm holding around 2,000 plus students for this course. It is continuously successful course, and S4 HANA also I have few courses. So after 2027, it is very difficult. You can update this and business partners minimum and business processes. See, whatever the courses I am showing here, this is specifically useful for your career. For real time, you can give it a try. Thank you so much. Thanks for your patience. Thanks for joining this session. Wishing you all the best. Jai Bharat. Have a great day.